Hi my friend, this is an explanation video about shapes assignment. So we have to create this snowflake. Okay, let's go here and see how it's done. Actually it is a union of 4 different shapes. So we have 2 stars and 2 ellipses. To create these things you have to understand that it's done of these are sticks and these arrows, triangles. So how to create this? First of all, let's create a star. It will be with 7 angles and let's make it bigger. Okay, something like this. Now I'll add round corners and these angles should be bigger, something like this. Okay, and now I have to create a circle. It's O hotkey and make it bigger as well. This is 1070, so probably 1500 is okay. No, it's too much. I will make it smaller, maybe like this. Okay, so now I have 2 objects. Here the circle is on the top of the star. So now I select both of them. My ellipse is on the top of the star and now I use subtract selection option. Okay, so now I have these triangles and I can make the corners round. Okay, so now it looks almost the same. Okay, and I have to create these beams. So I will create another star like this. It will have 7 beams as well, but this angle should be much smaller, something like this, maybe like this. Actually, no, maybe even like this. I can make it much bigger and I have to create one more circle, maybe of this size. Probably the star should be a little smaller. Okay, and now I put star on the top of ellipse and select both of them and use interselect option. Now I have this shape. Now I just move it here. I can change its scale and put it here. Now I just have to union this selection. That's it. So I have this shape. Maybe these beams are thinner, but I think it's okay for us. And I have to set its color, so it will be radial gradient, and I will set the colors. These will be of these, and this will be this color. Okay, so looks similar to what we had before. This is how we operate with shapes and all these Boolean operations. Hope this will help you. Good luck!